Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Canning is a great way to enjoy fresh produce all year round. From pickles, preserves, jams, sauces, and so on. I'm shocked that there's not more people doing it. Hey, I love it. And when a certain fruit or vegetable is at its peak, I totally take advantage of it by canning them. Here's a lovely jam recipe. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my plum jam. This is another easy canning recipe you should try. This condiment is so delicious to spread on toast or a croissant in the morning, plus it can also be a tasty ingredient for other recipes. So my friends, let's get cooking.
After washing the plums, we'll cut them in half to remove the pits and of course discard them. Then we'll simply quarter each half. We want little pieces so it's easier to break them down when cooking. When this is done, we should have between 10.5 to 11.5 cups. To this, we'll add some orange juice and stir well until the pieces are nicely coated. We'll let them sit for 15 minutes. In a large pot, we'll add a quarter of the plum mixture and cover it with 1 cup of sugar. We'll repeat with another quarter of fruit, then cover with another cup of sugar, and continue until all the fruit and sugar is in. I like doing that when there's a large amount to make sure the sugar is well distributed. So we'll set the heat to medium and stir very well until the sugar is melted. That should take about 4 to 5 minutes. It's pretty fast. After it's done, we'll increase the heat to high, and when the mixture just starts to boil and create some foam on the surface, we'll turn the heat down to medium-low. We'll let it simmer gently for 40 minutes, stirring often. About half an hour later, using an immersion blender, we'll process until most pieces are chopped, leaving some little chunks in it. If you want yours very smooth, process longer. Also, we'll scoop up any foam and discard it. We don't need it. At the 35-minute mark, I like to do my little test, which is a spoon dipped in ice water, although it can be placed in a freezer until needed. I take a small amount with my cold spoon and let the mixture get to room temperature. If it sets and slowly drips back in the pot, it's ready. Otherwise, I let the mixture simmer for another 5 minutes. We're not looking for the texture to become stiff like glue, but just holding together. Keep in mind that as the jam cools off, it will get thicker. When we're satisfied with the texture, we'll remove from the heat and right away start filling up the prepared jars. I won't go into details about the canning procedure, so click on the top right corner of your screen to view it. So after we measured the headspace, wiped the rims, placed the snap lids on, and applied the screw bands, we'll go back to the stove and place our jars into a boiling water bath. When the water returns to a full boil, we'll start the timer for 10 minutes. When time is up, we'll remove the jars from the water and place them on a wire rack away from any draft to cool completely, about 12 hours. And my friends, this is our plum jam. If you've never had it before, it's certainly a delicious one to try. This easy condiment doesn't use any pectin, making it a good one to add to your folder. Take advantage of this recipe while these plums are in season. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!